Hey guys, it's Polar. Today I have something new and exciting for you guys. I might have done a thing. I might have purchased the Pixel 8 Pro. This is just going to be me unboxing it for you guys, giving you like my first impressions, my first looks. But there will be more content on this going forward. I'm going to be testing a couple little things here. I got a couple little tricks up my sleeve. Definitely going to give it a couple weeks here, give you guys my 2-week impression of it and see if I am going to keep the device. I'm still on the fence. I'm not sure if I want to keep it, what I want to do, but let's go ahead and crack right into it. This is the directly from Google. This is unlocked. It's the 128 gig Obsidian, and it does have millimeter wave and sub-6. So I know there was something going around saying that the Google, directly from Google unlocked version wouldn't have millimeter wave. I'm not entirely sure, but this one does. This is directly from Google. Oh man, it definitely is pretty. Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely pretty. Man, I have not, the last Pixel I played around with was, I think it was the 2XL, was the last Pixel I played with. So this is definitely going to be a fun experience, but let's put that aside. So in the box, you get some pamphlets, information about it, the phone itself, obviously, and you get a USB-C cable and a USB-C to, believe that is USB-A. According to the box, this says it's just for data transfer, so we will see what exactly this is for later on. But yeah, that's literally everything in the box. So let's go ahead and peel the peel. I'll give you guys the ASMR of this. Oh, fancy. All right, I am going to go ahead and power it up, sign into it, set everything up, and get to the home screen, and I'll show you guys what's up from there. Alrighty, so now we are went ahead and signed in, got everything up and running. Went ahead and also downloaded a speed test. Let's go ahead and run a speed test. This is just over Wi-Fi 6, not 6E, not Wi-Fi 7. This device does support Wi-Fi 7. Who knows? Maybe I have stuff in the works. Some little bit of sneak peek for you guys. But yeah, so far the experience is very snappy, very snappy phone. The camera is also, so far, I've been doing a little bit of stuff off camera, but after setting it up, I just wanted to see. But yeah, so far I'm kind of impressed with it. I need to go and see how the low light performance is for the camera with the night sight, is what they call it. I did, however, buy the case. It's just the Pixel 8 Pro case. It was like, hey, add it for like $20. So I added it to cart. Very impressed. Wi-Fi 6. Very impressed. Keep in mind my access point is literally maybe a couple feet away, like 4 or 5 feet. But overall, this is not bad at all. TV in the living room is streaming 4K video right now, so it will take a toll on the downstream at least. But overall, I'm excited to see what more I can do and get myself into with this phone to really see how it is. However, I need to go ahead and throw my Verizon line in the eSIM on this, take it out of my iPhone, toss it over here, just got to change it out. It shouldn't be too hard. And then we'll go and test, signal strength, iPhone versus Pixel. See how my iPhone 14, which is what we're recording this on, iPhone 14 Pro Max compares to the Pixel 8 Pro. Gonna do some comparisons. There'll be a video where I'm gonna compare like video, side-by-side video. And then we'll also do like speed tests, photos, just overall snappiness of each device and see, compare them basically, see which one's best. Oh God, nasty reflection. But yeah, we're gonna have a lot more stuff coming, guys. I promise. There's gonna be a lot of fun. I feel already I'm gonna enjoy the device, but there's just a couple of things I gotta get used to. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming and watching this unboxing video of the Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel 8 Pro case. It wasn't really an unboxing. I took it out of the box. I put it on the phone. So, but yeah, take it easy, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.